I still don't understand why I'm wasting my royal breath talking to a common village girl like you.
My princess, I have done nothing wrong.
What exactly are you doing with Prince Chimete? Is he in your class? Are you a royal? Do you have royal blood flowing through your veins?
My princess, I already told Prince Chimega that I am not interested in him. He is the one disturbing me. I have done everything.
Silence! You think because a prince looked at you once, you can suddenly dream of becoming like me?
No, my princess, I would never.
You village girls are all the same. You want to reap where you did not sow. You see the palace and suddenly you start dreaming.
I swear on my mother's grave, I do not want any problem with the royal family.
Then stay away from Prince Chimeje. From today, if I ever see you close to him again, I will use my power as the princess of this kingdom to banish you from this land.
Banish me? My princess, please, I have nowhere else to go.
You people are shouting, AI will replace creators. AI will replace creator. Nobody is talking about the real problem that AI is becoming very expensive to afford for creators. First, it was free. Then they added unlimited. Now they limited it. And now they're asking if you want it to be unlimited, you need to pay close to 500. And you know what we're talking about? It is GROK. A lot of all these content creators that use text to image or image to video are always using GROK. But now GROK is now expensive. From super to super heavy, you have to pay for it. For 48,500 to 500,000 naira. Where we want to see them, we are all trying our best to make sure that we are giving good content, but it's getting expensive. But recently, I found out something inside CapCut that actually work well for creators without spending hundreds of thousands of naira every month. With just CapCut Pro, you'll be able to have this access. And let me just tell you, there is no app that will give you free. Even if they want to give you free, after a few days, they will stop saying you have to pay. But we as a creator, we have CapCut. I know some of you are using CapCut Standard, but you can get this CapCut Pro. You can have access to buy 1,500, 2,000, 3,000 credits as it's gold. But what you just need is just to be on the CapCut Pro. I think the CapCut Pro is like about 15,000 naira or thereabout. You can share with somebody, like one or two. You can share with somebody, 2 or 3 or more persons can use this CapCut Pro. Just have one email, and that if you want details or tutorial on that, let me know. And let me don't even forget, this video that you just watched for almost 20 seconds now, it is made by CapCut Pro. And if up to this moment you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you don't miss video like this, so that you will get notification when my video pops up. I remain Vibe with Deborah. So now let's head straight to my studio. Let me show you how to generate these in a minute. Let's go. So first, what you are going to do is to go to any of your how you used to generate your prompt or your image, but I'm using ChatGPT. So I've already gotten my prompt here. I've already gotten my prompt here, and I've gotten my image here. So I'm just going to save it like that, so that we'll go to where we're going to. So after that, you have gotten this, you come to your CapCut. You go to CapCut. You go to CapCut, you go to new video, then you go to photo, then you bring out the image you want to do, then you do it normal way of your CapCut stuff. This is it here. Then you go to effect. When you go to effect, you see AI effect here. You click on the AI effect. So now you click on this see dance 10 seconds and every other thing. Because it's 10 seconds, you just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to tell you that it's 75 credits needed here. I still have 900 credits. You still have 75 credits. If you don't have, you come to this place left here and you come and purchase whatever credit you want to get. 149 credits is 15, and like that you want to buy. Then you click on buy. But I still have enough credits, so I'm going back. So you just edit, click on this edit here, then delete this image that is here. Oh my god, sorry, I'm coming. Let me go to copy my script. Let me copy my script. So I'm going to copy my script, Amara, because it's 10 seconds. So I'm going to just I'm just going to copy it. Let's copy. Okay, copy. Then we are going to head back to this place and put it here. 10 seconds. It's 10 seconds, but most times it just give you. So because I don't want all this Amarachi, I want to put back Amarachi wearing red and gold outfits, just to be able to differentiate them outfits. What I'm doing is just to edit so that it will not be giving us what we did not ask for. So now then when you finish that, you will now see generate. You do generate. When you are when it's generating for you, it can take time. It's not as fast as GROK that will generate immediately. So you can be doing other things that you are doing, you can be doing whatever, then after a while you come back and check. Do you understand? Because most time when you get to 89, it will start slowing down. But it's not that it's going to take it before 1 minute or 2 minutes. 1 minute you get your video, or less than that, but it's actually fast. But when it's 89, you can still slow down. So let's see it now and let it play.
I still don't understand why I'm wasting my royal breath talking to a common village girl like you.
My princess, I have done nothing wrong.
So you can see that through CapCut you can get it exactly. Look at how it is. You can see that this CapCut AI is showing here. Then you can come here and they say watermark. You can say none. There's a place that will say lower right, just lower right position. I don't know why they no one come out, but it's so that you can easily put it in down. But because normally they will have said none, but we'll just put it at that side. Sure, I didn't say none, so you just put it at that side, so you can in a way just crop it, in a way like find a way to crop it or put something to just do that. So that is how it is, and you are good to go with it like that. Chicken. Bye. So now that you have seen this, please try it, but make sure you're in CapCut Pro. Or you can also put it in the comments that you are also interested so that you will have people that will join you. Yeah. Bye.